Now, how do you save a video from the Files app to the Photos app on iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so actually open up the Files app, right? And you can locate your videos manually by going through the folders, or you can tap on the search and literally type in the format of a video, which might be like MP4, right? And you can see a bunch of them are available. And the way that it works is that you hold down on the video for more options to appear. We don't see the button right away, so we need to tap on a share. And then this lets us save the video. So the button which says save to video will basically move it or copy the video file to the Photos app. So that's how we need to do this. Of course, you have the ability to just like select more clips at the same time, right? So you can select a bunch of videos like this, tap on share, and it will also allow you to save the videos, right? So the point is that you don't have to do it at this like one by one, but you can just move a couple of different videos at once. So that could save you some time as well, right? So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if it worked for you by hitting the thumbs up, right? But most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you later.